elements. Now we are come across the third type, that is body centered cubic. We are going to derive the equation for packing efficiency for body centered cubic. So what is body centered cubic? You know that this is the unit cell. All the corners are occupied by the sphere. In the body center, at the center of the cube, there is another atom. Center of the cube, there is an atom, that is known as body centered cubic. Now here, once again, let the edge length of the unit cell. So edge length of the unit cell always it is A, because in the cube all the edge length, all the edges are same in length A. So edge length equal to A, and the radius of the sphere BR, radius of the sphere or radius of the particle equal to R. Now consider right triangle ABC. So I am joining here. If I join here, I am getting a triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle, right triangle. Here right angle is there. Here AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AB is A, BC is also A, because all the edges are equal in length in simple cubic. So A square plus A square, 2A square. So AC equal to root 2A. So AC square equal to 2A square. So when the square goes to other side, taking square root 2A. This is equation number 1. Now join AE. I am joining here. AE I am joining through this body centered. I am joining. The body center atom will be there. I am joining here. Now I am getting another right triangle. In right triangle AEC. AEC is a right triangle now. Now AEC right triangle. AE is the hypotenuse. AE square equal to AC square plus CE square. So what is AC? AC now only we calculated root 2A whole square plus what is CE? CE is nothing but edge length. Edge length equal to A square. Remove the bracket. So you will get a 2A square plus A square, that is equal to 3A square. AE square equal to 3A square. So AE equal to root 3A. So AE equal to root 3A. It is very important one. Then here I have actually, here I have drawn, this is a two-dimensional diagram. Three-dimensionally these atoms are closely packed. So these three spheres are closely packed like this. So this is R, this is R, this is 2R. So AE equal to R plus 2R plus R, that equal to 4R. So comparing this second and third, this is third equation. So AE, here AE equal to 4R, here AE equal to root 3A. Comparing these two, I can able to write root 3A equal to 4R, or A equal to 4 by root 3R. So here we are deriving all this in order to convert A in terms of R. I am writing A in terms of R. This is very important. Relation. So I am writing this relation here. I am writing the relation here. That is A equal to 4 by root 3R. So now I am writing this. Isn't it? Just once again, just to recall, this is body center. At the center of the cube, there is an atom. First, we are taking the triangle ABC, and we are finding the value of AC. AC is equal to root 2A. Then we are joining AE, and we are finding the value of AE. AE we are getting root 3A, and AE is nothing but this touching of three spheres, that is 4R. So comparing these two, we are getting A equal to 4 by root 3R. Now next one, after calculating A and R, we have to find out the packing efficiency. packing efficiency, therefore packing efficiency equal to, you know the formula, Z into volume of the sphere divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. So for body centered cubic it is 2, and volume of the sphere is, see, 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by volume of the unit cell is a cube. So here what is a? First I am writing a cube into 100. Then I multiply here. Multiply this 8 by 3 pi r cube into 100 divided by a. A is 4 by 3. Sorry, 4 by root 3 r whole cube. Now multiply this 8 by 3 pi r cube into 100. So 4 cube will be 64 divided by here r cube. Denominator will be 3 root 3. 3 root 3. Now next line 8 by 3, and we have to write the reciprocal of this, that is 3 by root 3 by 64 into r cube will get cancelled here, pi equal to 22 by 7 into 100. Once again 8 1 times, 8 times, then here 4 times, 50 times, 2 times, 25 times. So 3 root 3 into 22 into 25 divided by 3 into 2, 6 into 7. So simplify all this, we are getting the value 68%. Approximately we will get 68% is the packing efficiency for body centered cubic. So this is the derivation for body centered cubic. So what is the answer we are getting? Packing efficiency is 68%. Now we have studied 3. One is simple cubic. Simple cubic, we have studied that 52.4% packing efficiency. Then body centered cubic, now we have studied that is 68%. And face centered cubic, we have packing efficiency, we have calculated the value, that is 74%. So which is closely packed? So what is the order of packing? So order of packing, which is closely packed, means FCC has closely packed, then it comes to BCC, then it comes to simple cubic. So what is the meaning? In simple cubic, lot of empty spaces are there. Only 52.4% only occupied by the particle, remaining are empty spaces, whereas FCC 74% is occupied by the particles. Okay, do you understand what is meant by packing efficiency? How we have derived for simple cubic, face centered cubic and body centered cubic. This derivation is very important. Please study, write this in your classwork note, and you work out once again and you study well. And in the vacation, please let us learn this lesson. We will complete how much portions will possible. We will complete that, because they are not going to reduce the syllabus. A new syllabus came. In chemistry there is no much change. All the syllabus are there. So don't waste the time, students. Please study whatever we are teaching. You study now immediately. Thank you, students.